Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing great. Today's piece will be all about whimsical garden with the dragonflies and happy koi in a nearby stream. All right, let's begin. This will be a swipe pour with greens and yellows. So I added a little bit of white in my all dark green. So I have dark green, yellow, and light green, and my leftover color that has a greenish tinge to it. So I decided to use it as a background as well. Also for swipe, I will be using white with some silicone in it. I will provide in paint information in the description below. Um, but the current canvas size is 12 by 12 inches. So let's begin.
Hello, back again. So this is completely dried now. Um, I'm planning to make a couple of flowers here, dragonflies, and because the bottom portion is blue, I want to put some fish here. We'll see how we'll do that, but let's just start. So I'm planning to make red and orange flowers with some white and gold accent. Let's see. So our dragonfly will be just here. So let's do this.
this is my first time applying gold leaf. So I diluted PVA glue to a watery consistency, but I also made first timer mistake of not waiting long enough before removing the extra leaf. You'll see in just a minute. But this is called experience, and I wanted you to be part of it, of course, if you are a beginner and would like to apply or try gold leaf in your pieces as well. So I kept this footage so you gain this wisdom with me. Let me know if you try something else, if you have already used it, and any other easier way to apply gold leaf. Please do comment and let me know. So here I am adding some background underneath the belly of koi. For that, I use thin down version of black, very, very watery. And then this is the shadow of the koi at the bottom of the pond.